Hey guys, this is Joe coming to you today from my kitchen where I am assembling biblical pancakes. Yes, you heard that right. More on what those are later, but check it out. I have assembled my ingredients over here and already started cooking, making one big giant pancake. But for those interested in the ingredients, we are talking about over here organic red lentil flour, olive oil, cinnamon, and some Ceylon or date honey. Mixing it all up, chucking it in a pan. Again, this is the 21st century rendition of biblical pancakes on a gas range, of course. Very anachronistic, but you know, you get the point. A gourmet cook I am not, but here we go. I have now flipped it over, and soon we will taste it and see what that looks like. I'm sort of thinking that it's not going to be sweet enough for my palate personally, but you know, here's to science. Alright, so it's come out a little bit here. In terms of how much to add, I put just under a cup of the red lentil flour, just about the equal amount of water, put in a spoonful of the Ceylon and threw in some cinnamon on the top and just put the oil down on the pot. Nothing exact over here, just put the oil on the pot so it shouldn't burn, so all that mixed together. Just a disclaimer over here, as I am a guy and I did not clean the kitchen sufficiently, so apologies to my wife, who would have had the kitchen sparkling and gleaming before I made such a video, but this was a spur of the moment experiment. And now for the taste test. This is made of flour, and in Judaism we say a benediction known as a bracha before we do it, and as this is a flour we say the particular bracha or benediction of Shakol, thanking God for all the general various foods that we eat. So without further ado, bon appetit. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam Shakol mi'avdvar. Real reaction video. I'd say it's okay. In terms of real taste, I would say it's okay. I probably would put in more honey, personally. But you know, the ancients weren't big on having a lot of sweets. Let me know what you think in the comments if you try it. I'll make up a recipe and leave it below and give it a shot, as well as the history of this particular dish. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you got benefit out of that, please make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you really want to support the channel, consider donating to my Patreon. But while I have you here, check out these interesting videos on other topics. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.